NDVI's Normalised Difference Vegetation Index. And basically what that is a red spectrum measurement from the satellites, measuring the amount of photosynthesis that's happening from a plant. That's the actual core measurement. The technology is designed to remotely collect information. So the two pieces of technology that we are using to robotically connect, automated data collection is the remote walkover weighing system, which obviously brings in the cattle live weights, and we're also using the satellite imagery to bring in a measure of photosynthesis, so we can now take this information and try and relate it to what it means for as far as pasture growth as well as then animal growth. As the satellite goes over, it's always measuring the amount of photosynthesis that is coming off whatever plants are growing in the region. One of the limitations of NDVI and one of the limitations of the actual system is that it cannot tell if what is reflecting or what is growing is trees. Is it 3P grasses, or is it simply weeds? What the walkover weighing system does for that data set is it allows that indice to be calibrated to a negative weight gain or a positive weight gain. The real value comes around the forecasting capability. So at the end of the wet season, we can see how much grass is growing, what the quality of that grass is, and actually forecast out a negative plant nutrition date. So we can actually forecast 9 months out with a 2-week accuracy to say that these animals are going to tip over and start losing weight. Now that becomes a critical decision point, but what the system will be able to do for you is actually give you that a long time out, so you can start making plans, preparations for what you're going to do. So the management outcomes may be simply that these are the heaviest these animals are going to be for this 12-month period, and this is when I'm going to sell them because they're going to be the heaviest. This is when they're going to be worth the amount of money. You can also be cross-referencing the live weight gain coming in daily to actually then cross-reference that with the cattle market, so you can actually decide when the most profitable time. Am I best to take the extra 20 cents now, or grow them out another 20 kilos and take 15 cents later? You can make all those calculations on that front. And that's at the very basic level. The second level may be something as basic as doing paddock changes. So being able to say that, yep, we've got as much growth out of this paddock as possible. Now we're going to change to paddock 2. The other one is then also when the quality of the feed is dropping, so as the animals start to plateau, if you've got feed in front of them, then it also gives you a trigger for supplementation programs. Not only when to supplement, but then it also measures through the live weight gain the value of that supplement to your business. For how many cents of supplement you've given that animal, how many kilos of growth you've received for that, so you can also then justify and calculate the value of your supplement program. So we're taking the ones and zeros that's coming from the satellite and condensing it down to a useful figure that the producer can make a management decision on.